Today we have a topic pointer. So what is pointer? Pointer is used to point a variable. In a pointer, we can also add pointer to pointer and subtract pointer to any constant variable, not pointer. So, and it always points to first element of array. As we mentioned, P is equal to A. Base address, that means base address. So, initialize of pointer and we have an array int a and its element is 10, 11, minus 1, 56, 67, 54 and we initialize two pointer p and q. Now p is equal to a, that means base address of first element. Now p is going to point base address of first element. So printf %n strict p. Whenever we need to dereference the pointer, we use strict, this sign, and we get a value. Basically, pointer is show address of any variable. So here we get 10 as a result. Now, when we use increment, post increment, otherwise pre increment, then we need to check. First, whenever we have something like this question, we need to proceed on a basis of priority, and priority is left to right. So we move left to right. Now in a strict plus plus p, that is, firstly we move to previous element because it is plus plus p, so we need to move I one unit back. So that's become, we have a just starting of 10, there is no, so we need to consider 0, previous element is 0, so this pointer is now point to 0. Now in this case, firstly the value is used and it gives 0, and now it's point to 10. Now this value, firstly this gives 10 and then after its increment 10. So now the value becomes 11. So when we want to print a pointer, then we need to use a strict. So this value becomes 11 as we have a 11 in first element. Now pointer q becomes p plus 3. Then p plus 3, that means 3 unit we need to move 1, 2, 3. So now q point to 56 and printf percentage strict q gives 56. Now strict q minus 3. Firstly, we need to dereference this. So it's become 56, and when we subtract it 3 unit, we get a 53. Now in this, firstly this value becomes asterisk minus p. So 0, this value is used 11. No, this is not 0 plus 5, that is 5. And point to 0. Now this becomes strict p plus q. That's become q is, our q is pointing 56 plus 0. That's become 56. Ten 0 0 10 10 11 into 10. This value is going to 11 11 5 56. Now in this question, now p is pointing to this element. When we it's give 0, it's give 10, it also gives 10, and plus plus is going to 11. So this value becomes 11. This value becomes 11, and this 11 again becomes 10. This value gives 10 and pointing to this 11. Q is equal to p plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now Q pointing to 20. It's become p. Q minus 4. 20 minus 4, that is 16. And now it's become p become 16 pointing to 11 minus minus 16 pointing 12. It gives 16 and pointing to P, this, and minus of 16 when we press 11, it gets 11 minus 16, that is minus 5. Then we got minus 5 as a result. And pointing to this. Now P pointing to 11 and Q pointing to 20, that's become 31. 20 plus 11, 31. Now this becomes plus 12 and pointing to this. In another question, again P is equal to A, that's it, pointing to first element, and Q is equal to address of array of first element plus 3, that's mean 1 2 3 pointing to this Q. Now strict plus P, that's become 0. We have no element in left of 10, so it's become 0 and pointing to 0. It's also give 0 plus 1, that's mean it's become 1. Plus P, so we need to move this side, not a minus, so it gives 11 and pointing to this. Now this value also gives 11 and plus then 1, its value becomes 12. This value becomes 12 and plus that will become 30. Now Q, strict Q plus 2, and we know braces has a higher priority, so we need to solve it firstly. So Q plus 2, that's mean value becomes 5 and stick becomes value become 5. 1 2 1 2 3 3, and now value becomes 4 minus of. Now P plus 2, P is 2 unit, that means P is pointing to this, and strict 54, this 54. Now in another question, P is equal to A, P pointing to this and Q pointing to third unit, 1 2 3. 1, 2, 3. Q pointing to 14. Now, stick P is 10 and value becomes 11. Now P minus minus. P minus minus, that value becomes 11 and 0 plus plus. Now value becomes 11 and pointing to this P plus plus. Value becomes 11 and pointing to this. Streak P pointing to 11 and its value is also 11. Now its value is 11 and now incremented by 1, then its value becomes 12. Now this value 12 incremented by 1, that's become incremented by minus 1, decremented by minus 1, 11. Q plus plus, now Q pointing to 15. Firstly we, now Q pointing to 19, Q plus plus 2, Q plus 2. Now when we dereference it, we get a value of 90 and value becomes 18. Now in a P plus 2, that's mean P pointing to this and they reference it with value becomes pointing to this with P plus 2, 14, went to 11, and dereference 11 and value becomes 12. Its value becomes 11 and when we dereference it, it's become 10. In this plus plus P, firstly it's 10, so it gives plus plus P, then it's give 11, it's also give 11 and pointing to plus plus P, 11, also give 11, minus 1, it is give minus 1 and value becomes 0. And when we check, it also become 0. 0 plus. Now when we solve it, it's become 11 plus 5, that's become 16. now pointing to 11p, and 11 plus p value is 11 plus q. Q is what? Firstly, q pointing to what? qp plus 3, 1 2 3, this point. Then value becomes 5, strict 5, q minus 3, strict q minus 3, 5 minus 3, that's become 2, and 11 plus 5, that's become 16. So we have some correction here. In next video, we discussed about void pointer like this. Even we can go with int main, that doesn't matter. Null pointer